Okay guys, welcome to this video. Right now we are ready to start broadcasting on Facebook Live using OBS software. Let me show you how to do it. Here on the resources area, I add the link to this specific page. This is the website here is facebook.com/live/create, as you can see here on the top. If you go to this address, you will see this button saying create live stream, and this is the one we want because here we have in one place the chance to create a Facebook Live to any of your assets on Facebook. So you can create a Facebook Live on your timeline, on a friend's timeline, on any group that you have. You can create a Facebook Live on an event, or you can create Facebook Live on any of your Facebook pages. So basically on any of your Facebook assets, you have the chance only from this page to create live session right now. So in this case, this is one way to do it. Let me show you another way before, and we can come back here later. Here we are, for example, let's go to my Facebook page, Diego Davila on Facebook. Here we are, this is the page at Real Diego Davila. In here, we have the options of publishing tools. So if you click here, you will see that you have the options to create a new post here and click on live video. And you will see me now. Hey guys. So here you can create a live video straight from Facebook using this, but here you don't have the option to show your screen. You don't have the option to add pre-recorded video, to add your logo here on the corner, right? As I showed you in the last video. So we need to use then OBS for that. So instead of doing here and clicking on go live, you can click on external device. Is processing, and it will give us the address that the RTMP address that we need to add on the OBS settings. Okay, this is one way. Another way to do it is on publishing tools. We come here to videos and video library. So click on video library, and here at the top we have live. So click on live, and again, these settings guys can change at any time because Facebook updates the page all the time. Every week they are changing the interface. So if you come here, you are watching this course later in the future and you see that things are in different places, don't worry, that's normal. Facebook changes all the time. This course is always updated. We are recording new lectures every time. As soon as possible, we see that when they change the interface, we try to record a new video to show you guys. So here we have the same information you see here. So this is the second way to do it. Let me discard here, and we will use right now this one, the one that I add the link on the resources area. Okay, so create live stream. We select, let's create one on a Facebook page I have. Let's do in this one, Amazon FBA course. And if you have a live 360 video, you can check this box. It's not the case right now, so click on next here. And now we will have the same information. Remember the RTMP server information that we need to add right now on OBS, and you see that is offline here. Okay, soon before this video ends, we will see this online. We will see our image here, and we will be live here on this page. Okay, so here you write your post, what's on your mind. That's the post text. So in here you can say something about your streaming, why they need to watch, and all that good stuff. Also, I recommend always to my students to add the link or the URL to your page here. That's important. Remember that we need to use every chance we have to share our URL with the world. We need to use that in our advantage. Okay, so let's say here test live session using OBS. Okay, I have an extra S here. Excellent. And you can add, in this case, I will add just to show you how to do it. Probably you know already, but it's fine. So that's the text of your post. Okay, below that we have the video title. People don't usually use this. I recommend to fill this with information that is real. Add the real title of your video. Add the topics. Keywords here are very important too. Because this way, I mean, this is here for a reason, guys. Facebook algorithm use this information to show your video to audience, to people that are not in your audience also, you know, organically. And that's why I think it's important to add and to use all these tools that Facebook give us in our advantage right now. Don't worry about the advanced if you want just to unpublish after video ends. This is not what we want. We want to actually keep the video running for a long time, okay? So this is ready. Now we are going to OBS and we will use this information in order to make sure that we are using the software with the best settings possible. So let's open OBS. Here I am. Let me switch here to single mode and check my webcam so you can see me. Hey guys. Okay, good. Now we go to settings. You can click on settings here, or if you are on a Windows version, go to the top menu there, and let me show you my camera. Go to the top menu here and select settings there. Okay, so here we have settings, general, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, and advanced. In this case, what we are going is stream. Stream is where we are adding these are the server information for Facebook Live. So here we have, the first one is a stream type. You can select streaming services. The second is service. Here we are choosing Facebook Live. Okay. Server default, that's fine. And server stream key, here is where we are changing this. Okay. So we go back to Facebook and see, here we see the stream key. So let's select this, copy. Go back to OBS and paste this information here. Wonderful. And click OK. So now we have that ready. That part is ready. The settings. Right now when we click start recording, start streaming here, it won't go live yet, but it will starting to send information to Facebook saying, hey, here is the streaming for this stream key that that we just added on the system. So let's do that right now. You see that it's offline now. We go here to OBS, click on start streaming, connecting. Okay, now you see that it changed to stop streaming. So go to Facebook, and in a few seconds here we will see our image. Here is fetching video stream. Okay, now let me mute my computer because I am having. Here we are. Excellent. You see that is live. I mean, it's not live, but we are streaming successfully to Facebook. Great quality. We see our image here. We see that it's coming with sound. See, it's perfect. It's coming with sound. And here at the top, we have in this case, my logo with my website, which I show you how to add that in prior videos. This is great. It's looking amazing. And let's do a switch here. Let's show the monitor for now. So let's show the image. Let's see the changes here. Let's wait a few seconds. It takes around 20 seconds. You see the transitions is showing my monitor, and now we'll show the image. So this is how it works, guys. So it's great. It's a great way to, let me show my webcam again. Here we are. It's a great way to create like a TV show for your audience. It's not just a regular Facebook Live where you are in with your webcam and that's it. You have interaction. You have graphics here. You can add videos, demonstration. You can add images, your logo. There is no limit of the things you can do. You can add text on the window. You can add new transitions. So that is interactive and helps your audience to engage more, participate, and comment on your video. Share your video. That's important. That's what we want. We want to make sure your audience is happy with the information you are sharing and with this video that you are doing for them. Okay. So let's go to the next step now. Here we are streaming already. You see stop streaming. We will keep this. Now at this moment, OBS is sending information to Facebook, and we see that here. Okay. If we click go live here, at that moment, we will be live on Facebook. At this time, people on our page, on our Facebook FBA page, they are not seeing me right now. Let me go to the page and show you. So right now, even that we are seeing this here on Facebook, is not live yet. So people on the Amazon FBA course page, which is just a test page that I'm using for demonstration right now in this video, actually 11 people like this. Wow, this is weird. I don't even have a profile picture. So people here, these 11 people are not being able to see the Facebook Live. You see that it's not here yet because it's not live. We need to click on go live, and let's do that right now. Okay, it's going live. Excellent. So now soon, in a few seconds, we will be live here on this page, and people will be notified that we are live. People will start joining or live streaming session. You see here videos, and we see a live sign here. So this is great. Let's see if it's showing already. Here we are, test live session using OBS. This is my website I add. So here we are. See guys, let me see, test the audio. Videos, and we see a live. Perfect. So you see that we are live here. Let me do some transitions for you and see the quality. The quality is amazing. So transition, in a few seconds we will see the image going here, the transition. Great quality. I love OBS. The tools that we have with that are super for your audience. Okay, see the transition there? Excellent. So this, you have the idea now, guys. Let me stop. How do you stop this? Let me show you here. So here we are back on the create live stream. We are live for 58 seconds. You can see all the comments here, and you can reply to these people. If you click on end live video, now your live stream has ended, and you will see ending here in a few seconds. This is live right now on the page. Let's see a few seconds to see it's over. Okay, this video live has ended. So but if we go back to OBS, you see that it's still streaming to Facebook, but it's still streaming to Facebook, but Facebook is not currently live on this. So now that we are done, we can, let me go to my webcam, we can just click stop streaming. That's it. Excellent. It's stopping the streaming. Excellent. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to do a Facebook Live using OBS for free here on your computer. This works on Mac, PC, Linux, excellent, all the softwares that you have right now. Also, we didn't use the studio mode on this demonstration, but of course, you can feel free to use the studio mode and do the transitions yourself, okay? This is another way to do it. But if you don't have too many transitions, I mean, if you have just a few sources, maybe it will be easier for you to use only the single screen, and you switch the sources by clicking here on the specific source that you want, okay? So that's it. I hope you like it. In the next video, we will do the same process for YouTube. See you there.